How to find memorialization settings on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your memorialization settings on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook. And now to get to this page, just click on those three lines up there. And once you are here, click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And now click on personal and account information. And click on the last option, which is account ownership and control. And now wait for a second and click on the first option again, which is memorialization settings. And now this is it. You can decide what happened to your account after you pass away. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.